Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have a great time on the intro of this Lincoln 225 Power MIG welder. We're going to take a look around it a little bit. So I hope you guys like and subscribe while you're watching, or to the previous subscribers that are on board with me. I really appreciate you guys staying on board with me throughout my entire journey on this channel. The more you guys like and subscribe, the more you guys watch, the more content I can bring. So today we are looking at this Lincoln Power MIG 255 welder. It's a really nice welder. You have your on and off over here, your digital settings, which have the wire feed speed and the voltage. This is a 220 volt single phase unit. So we're going to take a look at what we have. It's a used unit, but looks to be in very nice condition. You guys can see the gun. This is a gun that is that came with the unit. It looks like a really nice gun. It's got the tip on it. It's also got the ground right here. And you guys have your increase and decrease on it, which is the two dials right here. I'm going to go a little closer so you guys can see the dials right there. And we go a little bit around here and we show you the dials. Then we go on the back over here. What I like is this has a long cord. You guys have the cylinder holder over here with your classic chain. The Hubbard welders have a thin chain, which sometimes you want to upgrade. This one has a really beefy chain for the bottle right here, so the bottle won't move. You guys always want to make sure that the bottle is snug to the unit, because during transport, if it bounces around, that's a little bit dangerous. Now, with touching this welder or open the doors or turning it on and off and putting the wire in and out, you guys do want to shut it off and unplug it, because you guys have high voltage. It will also tell you that in the user manuals that you will get with the welder. You guys want to consult with Lincoln if going online to see if you need any information or anything that needs to be repaired on the machine. These machines are really, really reliable. As you go around here, you guys can see all the information. These have pretty beefy wheels on them, the front wheels and the back wheels. As you can see on the front here, you always want to make sure that when you're facing the welder, that everything is on it, all the information is there and intact, and that your gun outputs are in place, and also that you guys have all the gun and the parts. Now, we're going to open the side of the welder. Bear with me 1 second. We're going to put this on the side over here. And we're just going to put the ground as well right here. On this side, if I put the gun back here, bear with me 1 second. I'm actually going to put the gun on the floor. It's much easier. We're going to open the door right here, and you're going to go up. Now in here, you guys always want to make sure that it's a little bit clean, and this is your storage. Up here, you guys have all the accessories. You have extra tips right there. You also have a common gun and power gun drive parts right here. That's also the list that you have right here. And we're going to go a little bit to the other side of the machine right here. And I do like how it's got the doors on it. You want to make sure that your doors are closed. Now I'm going to lift this side up. Bear with me 1 second. We're going to lift this side up. And you're going to see your wire feed mechanism right there. And your wire holder. And you always want to make sure that everything is very clean on your hub of your wire. This is how you take it in and out right here. We're going to show that to you in another video, as you can see right here. Now also I like how on the welder on the inside it has your chart. Your chart is right here. It's got all the information as to the gas and the argon and so on and so forth. That is your L50, your L56 solid wire. Right here it's got all your aluminum. Now you can also put a aluminum spool gun on this unit. That would be also beneficial if you guys wanted to have a other option. So we're going to close the door right here. Going to close the door down here. And I hope that you guys like and subscribe to the channel. And I hope that you watch some of the other videos. I did the Hobart welder, the review on some of the other videos. You can see that. And you guys have a great day.